Hello, I'm going to go over how to embed photos into your discussion posts. This is an important concept that you should definitely figure out how to do. You'll be required to embed images into many of your discussion posts throughout this semester. So I would encourage you to take the time. You can test it out, but with most of the vocabulary projects, you will have to insert and embed a image into your discussion post. So before you bother to hit reply when you're wanting to complete the discussion post, I would encourage you to first, on your desktop or on an external hard drive, create a folder that is the contents of what you're going to be using for this Art 101 class. And then in that folder, you might want to think about having two folders, one that's images, and possibly another folder that would be your essays that you'll be submitting this semester. All right, and like I said, for this first homework project, you're going to be defining one of these terms and then picking an image from the learning unit, from the visual analysis module. So I'm going to go ahead and go into, you can use images from the internet, but you're going to need to get those images onto your desktop. And usually you can just drag images from the internet onto your desktop. I'm going to go ahead and grab an image that is on the website. And sorry about that loud noise. So this will be the image that I'm going to use for this tutorial. All right, so now I've got this lovely folder on my desktop that I'll be using throughout the semester. The next thing you're going to need to do is go into your account profile and go down to Files. This process might look a little bit different for you because I have to do this in teacher mode and I have a lot of folders. So after you have gone into your account and opened up your files, you're going to want to add a folder that's Art 101. You're going to open that folder and then you're going to upload that image that I just put on the desktop. So I'll navigate back to the desktop, grab that image and say open. And now that image has been copied into my Art 101 folder. Once the image is there, then I can go back to my vocabulary homework discussion. Just a moment, you're getting a little bit of how I navigate Canvas. You might do it differently than me. I'm going to reopen that homework project and come down. I'm going to hit reply. And again, that opens this rich content editor, which, like I said before, you can embed images. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to embed my image. I go to course files. Sorry, I go to my files, excuse me. And then you'll see your Art 101 folder and you can click on your image. You might have to wait a second. It's always best to get the dimensions loaded and then you know that you can press update and you'll have the image in your post and then you can discuss, for example, let's say for this homework project you were going to define the word style, so you might want to put define style and then you would go ahead and put your definition and respond to the various prompts and then you would hit post reply and you would be able to see your image with the text that you would be required to respond to this particular vocabulary homework. So I'm going to require that you embed your images, and as you're getting used to it, if you have any questions, just shoot me an email and I'll get back to you. Thank you.